Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. So check out today's recipe. It's a healthy bok choy soup. And it's certainly not lacking in flavor. I think you'll enjoy this one. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. And just a quick note to say that if you want my first cookbook, it's available on Amazon. And I've provided a quick link in the description below this video. Now let's get started with today's recipe. Turn your heat on high. Pour 4 cups of chicken broth into a large saucepan. We'll wash some fresh bok choy and coarsely chop enough for about 1 cup. Not only is bok choy good for you, but it adds a nice rich flavor to the soup. And now that the chicken broth is starting to steam a little bit here, we can go ahead and add that bok choy. If you have your ingredients already ahead of time, then this will go along quite quickly. Add 1/4 cup of chopped yellow bell pepper and about 1/3 cup of chopped sweet onion, and then about 1/3 cup of peeled carrot. And by the way, this is enough for 2 people. Add about 1/4 cup of chopped celery as well. Go ahead and give that a good stir, and we'll wait until it comes to a bit of a boil. Once it starts to bubble a little bit, then we can time it for about 2 minutes. Then turn the heat down to low and let it simmer. This is where you add whatever leftover meat you have in the house, and I happen to have some Italian sausage that was left over from the barbecue we had the night before. So I chopped that up and I added that. And I probably had about 1/2 cup of chopped sausage to add. The Italian sausage works out quite nicely because all the spices that are in it also add flavor to the soup. And this is probably a good time to taste test and make sure that your vegetables are cooked enough for you. Okay, so this soup is good just like it is. But if you want to add a little extra zap, you can just put a little tad bit of cherry or red wine in it. Okay, so that's only probably about a teaspoon right there, but that seemed to be enough just to accentuate the flavors. Now I'm going to go ahead and serve this up. And if we want salt and pepper, we'll just add that individually. But I don't think it really needs it. It actually has enough flavor without it. Now, although this is kind of geared for 2 people, it wouldn't take much to make a big pot of this either. You just multiply your amounts. Now there is one more thing that I did add to it just at the very last, and that's a sprinkle of finely shredded marble cheese. So now I can't wait to give it a little bit of a taste test and see if it's good enough to post. Okay, so this really is good. I hope you make it and enjoy. Thanks for watching the video all the way through and for your comments and your thumbs up. And thanks for subscribing to the channel. Until next time, happy eating.